Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be playing some maps again made by people. One of the maps we're gonna be playing today is a camp at Mount Everest in the middle of a snowstorm simulator. So let's just wait for that to load. If you're having a good day, or I hope you're having a good day, and comment down your favorite pizza topping. You might have more, and that's okay. Or tell me your favorite topping.
I don't even know why I'm making this.
I gotta turn that off. Okay. Ooh. There's that, like, there's like things floating down. Oh! Oh my gosh! Did you see that? That was crazy. Alright, things to find. Danny DeVito. Among Us Snowman. A telecom tower. The exit. A nuclear bomb. A deck chair and umbrella. Alright, let's go. Oh, it's gone. We got a bunch of things. You got a little lamp. Boiling anything? Oh. Yeah, generator. Oh shoot. Can't have that going anywhere. It's radio. We can say goodbye to that. Nice backpack and a sleeping bag. Yeah. Okay. Alright, let's go look. Let's knock down some things. Why not? What the? Okay. There we go. Oh, here's a billboard. Oh, we're on Mount Everest. That's right. Okay. Gosh, it's really snowy up here. Alright, let's knock this. I'm gonna knock this down. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Alright, let's go look for... Oh, yeah, here's one of our things. It's a lawn chair. Alright, this is just a fly. Bye-bye! Okay, what else? We make like smiley face. It works! You can kind of see it. Alright, what else? There's a Danny DeVito in an Among Us. Found the Among Us. Oh, I found Danny DeVito, I think that is. Okay, so let's go to telecom towers. Found that. I'm like knocking down. Oh. Then we gotta knock that down. Oh. Oh my gosh. How is it still holding on? There it goes. Oh wait, maybe our... Oh. I think of that, maybe. Our base is probably destroyed. Alright, let's take it back to the... We don't need the doors. Whee! Let's get rid of this door. Bye-bye, door. Okay. What else is there to find? Alright, let's destroy this, never mind, that won't work. Okay. I think I've done the Should we destroy it? No, it's not good. Let's wait. Oh, we got these things to follow. Sorry for the cough, guys. Oh. What is this? Oh. SpongeBob! Can't burn it. Oh, maybe I think that was the end. Alright, our last thing we need to find is the nuke, and we found it. But let's see if we can explode it. Let's get the gun. Let's go fly over it. Alright, here it is. 3, 2, 1. Oh. What's going on? Let's hope it won't take us to anything crazier. Oh, something's burning over here. If you can go put it out. Open this one to exit area. Oh, shoot! How am I supposed to exit it now? It's still fire! It's not going out. Oh, shoot. Well, at least there's always escape and main menu. That was a really good map, guys. Okay. Next one we're gonna be doing. Let me scroll down a little bit. Is the Walker AT-AT map. Just gotta wait for it to load. Shouldn't take too long. Oh, here we go. Never been much of a Star Wars fan, but hey, it seems like a good show. Oh, look at these guys. Alright, let's like destroy them. She's an asteroid. I missed him. Okay, what else can we use? We can use the item. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, let's go explore one of these. We got stormtroopers too. Hey, move out the way. Alright, let's go look at this thing. Alright, we're in it. Alright, what should we destroy? Whoa! We're falling, I think. Are you falling? I can't even tell. Oh, no, we're still going. Oh. Oh, I'm in the console. Ah! This mod, by the way, is called the Dragon's Breath Shotgun. Wait. Cut it. Where's one of the lasers? We can use it to, like, cut open the...
Commence primary ignition.
Oh, it's like... Oh, shucks. How is this still going? Alright, guys, we need to figure out something else.
Commence primary ignition.
I get an idea. Ah! Destroy! Make it go up. Ah! Okay, we need to go destroy this one before it gets to the end. Okay, we need to think of something fast. Fast. Iron Man. Alright, we gotta use the unibeam.
Unibeam ready, sir.
Alright, we're gonna use one of them. Ah! Yeah, we got it. Oh, shoot, we died. Alright, let's try this again. Where is our Iron Man suit? Ah! Ah! Sorry about the cough, guys. Alright. We got Darth Vader. Get his moves. Ah! You've come to face me. You get the lightsaber. Ah! Ah! Hey, we got him, guys. Hey. Let's go. Alright, let's go finish off his things. Alright, we're gonna cut his foot off. Alright, watch. What, I missed. This piece isn't even part of him now. Oh no! Ah! Whoa! Oh my gosh! This is right on top of me.
Commence primary ignition.
Alright, let's use a charge shotgun. Alright, it's charged up. Yeah. Alright, let's explode this guy. Boom! 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 Ah, that was a fun map, guys. Oh. And last but not least, it's gonna fly, okay, guys? Trust me, it's definitely not gonna crash. Oh, what happened? Alright, guys, let's go on to the next map. Here. Alrighty. So, our vast map. Gotta find it here. Is plane crash dynamics. I don't know if this is gonna be a laggy map. I'm sorry if it is. PC's not the best. But what I think in this map, yeah. So you basically crash a bunch of planes. Alright, we're gonna go from the plane POV instead of the ground POV. We'll go to the ground POV here after. Alright, this is just gotta load. Oh wait, we were on Sky POV. My bad, guys. Sorry. Sorry about all the loading and stuff. I don't know how to edit yet, so I don't know how to do cuts. Maybe I can figure it out eventually, but I don't really have any editing apps to do so. Alright, so we're gonna click on this HAL one. This one seems interesting. I don't know what it is. It just says HAL. So we're gonna see how. Okay. Oh, we're like on a... What are we on? We're on like a semi-truck. Oh shoot, I flew off. Whoa. Oh. Well, I guess we could see the ground view. Bro, that was weird. They were on a truck. Alright, let's do an actual plane. I think we just gotta go to the main menu. I don't know. We can go back to it. Thought I just saw it. I might have passed it, guys. Isn't it dynamic? Sorry, guys. This might take a second. Factory. Don't tell me I lost it. That was called like dynamic planes or something. Sorry guys, this might take me a second. Oh, I feel bad. Come on, I thought... Just like slowly look through it. Is it flying planes? I already forget, bro. Here it is. Sorry about that, guys. This video might be a little bit longer than usual. Okay, let's do the private plane. I have a rhetorical question, guys, but would you... What's going on? I think the thing's glitched. Oh, that's a bummer. Let's restart and see. I don't know why it's glitched. I'm sorry, guys. This map's bugging out. If this map doesn't work, I'm sorry, but we'll just test it one more time. Yeah, it's not working, guys. Hey, maybe we'll try it another time. Alright, guys, well, thank you for watching. Have a great night, and peace out.